Howdy guys, and welcome to the show of Jack and All Trades, and today I'm going to be showing you a little unboxing from this Paslode cordless XP framing nailer. Now I'm going to be telling you what you need to get if you are going to get this, and tell you everything about it and show you what she can do. Now, when you first do purchase this and you first open it, you're going to see the nail gun in here. It does come with a battery charger. It comes with a battery, only one battery unfortunately. Comes with a pair of safety glasses, a manual, and a whole breakdown manual inside the top of the case. Now, I'm going to tell you this. You need a fuel cell to run this. This is the type of fuel cell you will need. It is an all-season, summer and winter fuel cell. Now, I wouldn't recommend buying a whole box of these fuel cells unless you're a contractor and you know you're just going to be going through them. These fuel cells can last up to 1,200 nails, 12,000 nails, just with one fuel cell. Now, there's a little expiration date on these bottom things, and this one expires in 2026. Year is 2024, so I think we're looking good. But don't throw away. Don't forget to buy a lubricant oil to keep this thing maintained. And another thing I forgot to get, apologies, but there's also a spray cleaner for it. You got to break down the whole thing, but that will be another video I would have to produce for you. So let's throw the battery in it, get the fuel cell in her, and up a little bit of wood. I'll show you what she does. Alrighty guys, get your safety glasses ready, take them eyes, and let me show you where to come from here. Now, put your cell cartridge in there, your fuel cell. Goes right at the top. Do is you pull this upward, swing it back. You got like a tongue right here. So, gotta hold that tongue back. Drop that in there. Make sure that tongue goes right on that tip. Push that down. Right. Now the battery. Now you got like a little off written right on it. Goes right up here. It's gonna click twice. The middle one, still saying off. That's just for you to turn your thing off, completely off, where it be safe. Just for you to take a break on site. And you gotta push down and go one more time. Then you'll see like a little ring flashing right here from your handle. That means she is ready to go. Now, I do want to mention to you before I put it in here, your nails for this framing nailer are 30 degrees. You're going to have other Paslode nails out there that are besides like 16 degrees, but this is a 30 degrees nailer. Make sure you buy the right nails for this, or you're going to have a pretty bad mess up, let me tell you that. Anyways, where you put the nails in, you push this back here, push the lock. That will allow you to put your nails in, bring it back up through you, and there you go. Now, from here, I am going to show you a little bit what she can do. Go ahead and drop this in, make sure your hand's clear. Now, make this safe. These nails are not flush. Now, we're going to make them flush. You see these two little markings right here. What you do is you squeeze in. You squeeze these guys in right here. And you roll this thing back or forth if you want. And it's not like that whole actual piece. Squeeze these guys in. The more you have it towards the gun, the deeper that nail is going to be. The further out it is, you're going to have heads kind of sticking out, and still got to come back later to nail them back in. But anyways, I wanted to show y'all that for the demonstration. I'm going to nail a little bit more from here. Say this 2x4 right here, for instance. Now, keep from nailing my table or anything, I'm going to clamp it off. Yeah, I'm clamping that. Sorry guys. I don't have no holes in it. She's pretty good to me right there. Now, I'm using 3-inch nails right here for this nail gun. And to bring it back on safety. She's already in. Here we go. Nice. 3-inch nail will come out on the other side. Will this shut off? In time it will. Just like that. It just shut off. Sounds like a loud fan, honestly, but it's not too loud as you think it is versus the video. I'm gonna bring it back to smack tip. Because let's say you're building a frame. If you actually lay this thing down, just like that, it is in a 30-degree angle. Reference to the box. So, let's say I want to nail that in. Right in. Right here. There's your 30-degree nailer. And let me tell you, I'm loving this thing. It's pretty good. It's really good. Pretty fast too, honestly. Put 3 right here. You can't beat that, honestly. Alright, let's put the thing on safety. Guys, this is the Paslode nailer, the framing nailer, the XP nailer. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first brand of hauling Paslode, and let me tell you, I think she's worth it. I think she's gonna be doing a lot of work around here, around the farm, around the shop. And guys, I really appreciate y'all watching the show, Jack of all trades. I'll see y'all next time.